Stress is a good thing, so is anxiety, only if you know how to deal with them. The mental health is such a big issue amongst us, amongst the humans. And it's so painful to see this and feel this, that we couldn't decode two things: the stress in depression or in anxiety mode. We're not being able to decode these two things. If you can diagnose it, you can treat this, you can use it, you can heal yourself. And I'm calling you to join me so that we can serve humanity for the betterment of its mental health. Let's grow a smile.